watercolor. So I've got here an Archer's Squirrel Petit Gris Pur. That's actual squirrel hair in a natural hair brush. So these are one of the terribly expensive ones. But the good thing about natural hair is it takes heaps and heaps of water. So I'll just show you on here. It takes so much water, but it also comes to a beautiful fine point. So I can go here, press it down, lift it up, press it down, lift it up. There's a lot of water going onto that cardboard there. It's a ton of water. It just goes and goes and goes because this brush is so absorbent. There's pints of water in the brush. Look at it, it just keeps on going. It's amazing. It's still making a mark after all this time because it soaks so much water into the bristles. Isn't that amazing? It's still going. Unbelievable. It could just keep going on. It's just starting to dry out now. So that's incredible that the natural hair bristles are like that. This one's a sort of a synthetic, not synthetic, imitation. This is a natural hair brush, which they call imitation sable. So it's not sable from the dear little sable furry animal. It's a different animal. Don't know what, but hopefully more sustainably shaven or whatever they do. I don't know where it comes from. It's a bit scary thought. But this one's really absorbent as well. It comes to a beautiful fine point again, but it doesn't cost you as much. The Archer's brushes are really quite expensive. So this one will go and go and go as well. It may not go as long as a squirrel brush. Squirrel hair is very, very absorbent for our brush techniques. This one goes a long time. This is a big difference between synthetic hair and natural hair on the brushes. This is almost a ninja art tip. Look at that. Synthetic, not synthetic, it's imitation sable. So they haven't been cruel to little sable animals. This is just starting to dry up now. I can see just starting to get a bit of dry brush mark there. That's gone. So it's pretty impressive what these natural hair bristle brushes do.